Tucson's presiding city magistrate will remain as the leader of the city court for now, after the commission tasked with reviewing judges' performances found he violated DUI defendants' rights to legal counsel. Our chief investigative reporter, Chorus Nylander, broke this story and joins us live downtown to explain how much longer the judge will be on the bench. Chorus.
Yeah, well, Sean, after we started reporting on the City Magistrate Selection Commission's findings, presiding judge Antonio Riojas Jr. withdrew his name from consideration for the Tucson City Council to vote on reappointing him, but ultimately the decision fell on the shoulders of the Superior Court's presiding judge to determine if he should remain in his leadership position until they find a replacement. Now we know what was decided. Major changes will be coming to Tucson City Court next year following this report from the City Magistrate Selection Commission filed September 1st that found presiding judge Antonio Riojas Jr. violated defendant rights by not appointing legal counsel for mostly DUI suspects facing jail time because of staffing issues within the public defender's office.
I don't know that they've ever gone back and addressed the question of between, say, January and April of this year, all of the people whose rights were violated and what the implications of that were.
The Constitution is the bedrock of our system of justice, and it establishes what is absolutely required.
Last month, Tucson City Council was set to vote on whether or not Judge Riojas Jr. should be reappointed as a magistrate. Instead, they announced the search for his replacement because he withdrew his name. It was up to the Superior Court presiding judge, Jeffrey Bergen, to decide if Riojas Jr. remained in his leadership position while they wait for a successor. Bergen sent us a statement saying in part, quote, Judge Riojas has led the Tucson City Court through difficult and challenging times for over 25 years. Although recent criticism has merit, it does not fairly define Judge Riojas and his commitment to the fair administration of justice for all. Judge Riojas will remain as the presiding city magistrate until his retirement near the end of the year. City Council member Paul Cunningham has been vocal against Judge Riojas Jr. and wants to see changes at City Court.
He served a good 20 years, and he's finishing out his service. He was on his way to retirement anyway, so I think we're just going to move forward. We're going to try to collaborate with the bench as much as possible to make sure we get the best possible candidate as chief magistrate for the city going forward.
And it has yet to be decided who will replace Judge Riojas Jr. That process is already underway, and the same commission that made those findings against him will be the ones presenting recommendations to the City Council on his potential replacement. The whole process could take up to 90 days. It started in mid-September. We'll keep you updated. Live from downtown Tucson tonight, Chorus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.